Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining us. In today's video, we are doing an unboxing of the July KitNipBox. More details about KitNipBox are available in the description. Let's go ahead and get this opened up. The theme for July was outer space. Use code JTCATS to receive 15% off your first order. Jericho is ready to unpack this box. But Thunder doesn't look too interested at the moment. The first item is a 3-pack of space mice. What do you think, Thunder? I know Jericho will love these. Off she goes with the pink one. Next up is this rocket. Jericho loves these feathers. But Thunder's not interested. This is an interesting toy with balls and feathers. Yes, Thunder loves it. And Jericho loves it too. Next is this Cat kicker. Thunder's not at all interested. Jericho's not too interested either. And here's a green alien. Thunder does not care. But Jericho seems to be enjoying this toy. This is a shooting star wand toy, and I know Thunder will love this because he loves wand toys. Yep, Thunder is having a blast. I love to see Thunder enjoy himself. Last but not least are the treats. These are Wellness Kittles grain-free whitefish and cranberries. They do not contain any byproducts. This is something that both cats are interested in. Thunder is enjoying eating out of my hand. But Jericho wants in on that action. We close this video with Thunder enjoying his treats. I do want to thank everyone for watching, and remember to use code JTCATS to receive 15% off your first order.